Hi everyone. This video covers 4.3 Solving Systems of Linear Equations by Elimination, Part 2. Alright, first example. I've got 4x equals 9 minus 3y. To get this in standard form, I'm going to add 3y to both sides. This will give me 4x plus 3y equals 9. My second equation is already in standard form, but neither equation has the same coefficients. Neither variable has the same coefficients. So, if I want to get rid of the y, 2 and 3 have a least common multiple of 6. So I'm going to multiply this equation by 3, this equation by 2. When I multiply this first equation by 3, I've got 15x minus 6y equals 24. This equation is going to give me 8x plus 6y equals 18. To eliminate my y's, negative 6x plus 6x will be 0, so I'm going to add. 15x plus 8x is 23x. 24 plus 18 is 42. Divide by 23. Oh my goodness, I've got a weird fraction. But that is okay. Alright, at this point there are two different ways you can proceed. You could plug this weird fraction into one of the equations and then solve for y, and you will get the right answer. When I get weird fractions like this, I actually prefer to go back to the step where I multiplied by 2 and 3, and instead multiply in such a way that will eliminate my x so I can solve for y. Either method is valid. You can decide which way is easier. So if I want to eliminate my x, I'm going to multiply my top equation by 4 and my bottom equation by 5 because the least common multiple between 5 and 4 is 20. When I do that, I'm going to get 20x minus 8y equals 32 and 20x plus 15y equals 45. I'm going to subtract these because 20x minus 20x is 0. 8x minus 15x is negative 23. 32 minus 45 is, let me see here, negative 13. Oh, I forgot my x. There we go. Divide both sides by negative 23. X is positive 13 over 23. I'm sorry, not x. Sorry, I'm making all kinds of mistakes. These are my y's. There we go. Okay, this is y, not x. Very important. Okay, so now I have my x and my y. So my answer is 42 over 23 and 13 over 23. There we go. Okay, solving special systems by elimination. Okay, so if I want to use elimination, let's say I want to get rid of my x, I'm going to multiply the top equation by 2, which will give me 4x plus 8y equals 10. I'll subtract. This will give me 0, 0. Negative 9 minus 10 is negative 19. Uh-oh. We know that 0 does not equal negative 19. This is not true. So, the answer is no solution. If I had graphed this, I would have gotten parallel lines. If I had used substitution, I would have gotten some untrue statement like 0 equals negative 19. Alright, let's move on to the next page. Okay, so in this case, let's say I want to get rid of my y. So I'm going to multiply my top equation by 3. This will give me 9x minus 3y equals 12. I'm going to add in this case, negative 9x plus 9x is 0, 3y minus 3y is 0, negative 12 plus 12 is 0. Alright, in this case, 0 does in fact equal 0. So my answer here is infinitely many solutions. There we go. All right, and that's all the notes for this section. Thank you so much for watching.